Hello, my name is Nishant Raimaji. This is like my assignment three and like assignment three of managing software development project. Let's begin with our topic. Let's in this talks like in this assignment I have like divided into for the Confluence part I have divided into like a part A and part B. The part B introduction part A and reference as done by me Nishant Raimaji, and this one part B the technology is Part B, technology trend AI in software development and develop OS was done by Pratis Patel and Tanis. Let's begin with the introduction. So it will be easier for everyone. So I made like the file, so it is easier for them to do the assignment. Will be much clearer in the Jira part, like how we divided the tasks and how was our group work assigned together. Let's begin with the introduction. Like this one, I already told you this is like the part three of our this is the part three of our software managing software development project. Let's begin. This is like an assignment. This is what developed like a PID scanner for a banking mobile application, like introduction by analyzing the impact of AI, because AI is now is rapidly growing things. AI has done like a work easier for everybody else. So AI is rapidly development. So AI in the software development and development. Yeah, the bank wants to annually intersect by using QR scanner. So I can pay by using like the PID QR scanner. So it is easier for to pay them. Like if I scan the PID scanner, so it will give you automatically your information. So it is easier and faster. I has already discussed you this part as a, this also made as like a third part. Part A, the part A describes how the documents was like in the script meetings and collaborating tools with features, and the part B is the analysis of the current AI trend in the software development and development, and part A is the like the short presentation how we find the key findings and how we did it. Let's begin in the part A. Yeah, part A of this one is like a scope meeting and develop OS for the PID QR scanner. In this question, the project context and rationale was in the Australian context NPP. It was like the development export that like the it transports like the how the function peer-to-peer payment like a QR scanner oriented and scanning QR to PID like a thing, so encoding like a basic payment like a metadata in a like a scanner for to allow the app to pop up the recipient details and like a reduce both user errors and error rates. Like if I scan the camera, it will give all the details of the sender, so the who is getting the recipient, so it's easier and we don't have to like there is less manual. And then there's that we have done like a scope image like the artifacts, how we did the like a PID features, like how we did like a sort of how the meeting was like a photo we describe like a epic we create in the epic backlog user story. I will all describe you this one in the Jira part, so it will be easier for you to how to understand like how the blackboard was backlog was, what the customer want as a customer, what I want, and it will be easier in the Jira part. So this one is like a then and the product backlog and details set up in the Confluence. So I will talk this one and develop practice was like a scrum experience. I will show you this everything in the Jira part. Let's go to like a part B. Part B is like an overview of AI adoption in the software development engineering. For this framework, I have like a for everything like you can see my name also. I have like a developed the artificial, so that it's easier for another, like there is like a benefits of AI developers for the team, like how we is AI developing like a AI. If you know like a manual, you don't have to write everything from the scratch nowadays, so it's easier for the developer also. You know how to use the code given by AI, which part of the it's go, you know, if you know, it's like a very beneficial. So AI in like I have already mentioned you like the AI in the develops of operation is like a basically how you manage. It's like a and the challenges and the risks of AI development. If you like if AI generated some of the AI, they don't like the current AI. If you put that part, it's not good because it's like a very risky, and because the codes is like a is a lags, it's like a crashes. So you need how to like that is it's still there is the problem because it, AI cannot give you everything like in the correct format. And what is the like implementation of managing SEO the artifacts like not only change how the software so it build like this one is like improve the overall the managing software is like I already developed this one is like AI trends in the software development and develop so like the managing program is AI requires like a balance approach of AI and like a manual while the AI like AI provides you the with the efficiency like still you need like a human judgment because why do you need because AI can't think like human because there is always you need and this is the reference part. Yeah, yeah, this is the reference. If you click like here, this is the reference. If you click here, you it will take the where the link I have taken it from it, and it will show you. Let's move to the another part of this summary. This is like a Confluence first. Now let's move to the Jira part. Let's go to the summary. In this Jira part, I have divided the epic and everything into like a 25 works. Like everything is done because today is our last due date. So it's like everything is done. So there is no backlog. If there only there is backlog if we have your work left. So we don't have any work left. So there is like a no backlog. Like timeline. If you can see it like a summary timeline like this. If you click here, yeah, this is like a epic and then is like a there is like a child mode so like a first one is the decompiling the QR scanner in a manual entry error so that it's a lot this is like a user showed it was assigned to me and every you can see the who was assigned who was the reporter in here how the copy you can see like a PR ID. This is also customer as a customer. I want like a PID to scan so the image will be later on script on script guidance. And so if you see there is like a this one in the Epic 2 is also like a Epic B like a for this I have divided the all the tasks into five Epic and each five I have, each five Epic has like a minimum there is like a five six sub tax also there is child tax also so it can be easier if you click here also there everything is written in div like a child epic also look child epic if I click in the child epic as a customer I was clear so today I have like a limited time my presentation time is like is 5 to 6 minutes so I cannot explain you each and every code but you can see like there also to done everything is done if it was not done you can see it's to do in progress but everything is now finished so it's like a clearer for us for the epic 3 also payment conversion and user safety like how this the user safety there is also like a for the child class if you like a given the user the safe permission after cleansing they can review and adjust the details before like saving the PID details you can if after you click here you can see like some everything as like a description also like a subclass has also differentiation as a team leader I have done like the most of the part by myself so I am like a you can see I assign the like I will show you like how I assign like a description like a permission as a customer I want the permission to what is needed so I assign this task reporter was me and I assign this task to Tanis so this is like how I have done so due to limited time I cannot explain you each and everything so this is how I done you can see it in there is no backlog in the summary also 25 tasks were done look there is like a 25 tags look everything done assigners was like low assigning reporter everything was on my mail look everything tags there is the timeline when this is the timeline how many tags were like a medium high rated how the date was like I have assignment tags to about 6 40 tons so this is the assignment we have done thank you